In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Quizlet. If you're feeling overwhelmed by email pings or constant study alerts, this quick walkthrough will help you take control so you only hear from Quizlet when it truly matters. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Quizlet website. We'll be working from the desktop site because the layout makes the settings easy to find. If the interface looks a little different from what you see here, don't worry. Quizlet occasionally updates its design, but the navigation remains similar. Next, log into your account. You'll find the login option in the top right corner of the page. Use your usual method to sign in. If you're already logged in, you're all set and can move on. As always, keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the official site before entering any information. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile picture or avatar. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, select Settings. This is where all your account preferences live, including how and when Quizlet gets in touch with you. On the Settings page, locate the Notifications section. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a tab, a sidebar item, or a panel within the page. Go ahead and open Notifications. Here you'll see a list of communication types, each with a checkbox or a toggle you can switch off. Now it's time to dial back the noise. Turn off email reminders to stop periodic prompts from showing up in your inbox. Disable study notifications to prevent alerts related to sets you're studying, session reminders, or progress nudges. Then switch off class updates to keep class-related announcements from interrupting your day. Each of these options helps reduce clutter, and together they create a much calmer experience. Most accounts will save your changes automatically as soon as you toggle them off. If you do see a Save or Update button, click it to confirm your preferences. A quick page refresh can help you verify that everything's stuck. If you ever want to reverse a change, just come back to the same notifications area and re-enable the options you miss. That's it. You've successfully turned off notifications in Quizlet. Enjoy a cleaner inbox and fewer interruptions while you study. If this was helpful, consider reviewing your settings every so often to keep them aligned with your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.